Welcome back, friends. Today we are going to see about object methods, how we can add methods inside our object as a property, which is nothing but the functions. We will see how we can implement or create a property with the method or a function as a executable part. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So for the startup, I have created the user object which contains name and age property as you can see. And now we will do one thing. I will create one more property outside the object, but I will add it something like this user.speak and I will assign a function here. I am creating a function expression. So basically function keyword, then the parenthesis, then I'm just writing the console.log hello. So now our user can speak by using this method. You can say it is a function, but when you attach it to one user, it becomes the method of that particular user. So that is why we call it as a method. So to call that function or to call that or execute that speak method, you just have to write user dot speak and then this parenthesis to execute or call this function method or object method. So let us just run this. I'm going to console and running this object dot methods file. So you can see hello has been printed. This is the one way to attach your method to the existing user. You can anyway attach it there anyhow, or this is the one way. I'll show another way how you can do this. You can create a function first. Let's say I'm creating a say hi function here. So it is nothing but a console.log, which is a hi there. And then this function I'll be attaching to user object with the say hi property, attaching something like this. And to call this, it is similar to this one. So say hi, calling I'm say hi method. So now user will speak, it will also speak and will say hi to our viewers. So let us just run this. So it is printing two different lines here, hello and hi there. So this is how you can attach any method, any function to your objects. So let us just move ahead. One more thing, method shorthand, how we can write methods in a different way. So let's say I'm creating a new user object here, which has a say hi property, and I will assign a function to it. So this is a simplest way, right? We can create a property and assign it by using this colon sign and whatever you want to assign. It can be a value, it can be a function, it can be a primitive value, it can be a object, or it can be a function. So I have created a function here, and that function contains a very long log. So hi there from user say hi method. So this is the one way you can attach a method to it. So you are attaching a function to a property. And for the shorthand syntax, I have created another part here. So I am creating a speak function. So you can directly write something like this, speak and parenthesis, and then your function body, your method body. So here I have created speak function or a speak method inside my new user object, which prints one line here. So this is how the shorthand syntax works. You just have to create the object with the curly braces. So you just have to create the object with the curly braces, then the whatever method name you want to provide, and directly the parenthesis and the curly braces which contains the function body. So that is the shorthand syntax. Now the part is how we can access this functions or how we can access this method. So I will just simply type new user here, and as soon as I type the dot, it will give me the options which function I want to use. So you can see it is providing two different icons, because first one is a property. Here it is written property in the parenthesis, and if you go to speak, it will say that it is a method. because when we create a property and we are assigning this colon sign, it is considering say hi as a property and speak as a method. We can directly call this say hi method, and we can directly call this speak method as well. This is how you can. So I have commented this user part for the method declaration, and currently I just have this new user method shorthand part. So let us just run this file and see what happens. So you can see hi there has been printed from the say hi method or function, and hello YouTube from the speak method. So that is how the shorthand syntax works. So this is how you can create methods inside your object. So this is how we can create methods inside our object and use those methods, because it those methods are part of that particular object, and whenever you create a object it will be available to you and you can directly call it. That's all for methods, and see you in the next video. Thank you.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way.